These 10 surahs are the most important part of the Quran for the Muslims to study today, so that they are shaken, they are warned, they are awakened from their slumber and sleep. Their contentment that we are Muslims, okay, then we salvation is reserved for us. We have a reservation in the Jannah. Because we are Muslims. Because we believe in Muhammad. And Allah said a very beautiful verse. When the Jews said, قَالَتِ الْيَهُودُ وَالنَّصَارَى نَحْنُ أَبْنَاءُ اللَّهِ وَأَحِبَّاؤُهُ. These Jews and these Christians are saying, we are like sons to Allah, we are very dear to Allah. The comments from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala were, فَلِمَا يُعَذِّبُكُمْ بِذُنُوبِكُمْ. If you are so dear to Him actually, why is He punishing you for your misdeeds? He punished you, He gave you a thrashing at the hands of Nebuchadnezzar. He massacred 600,000 of Jews in Jerusalem and took another 600,000 as captives to Babylonia. Not a single soul remained in Jerusalem. The temple of Solomon demolished. If you are so dear to Allah, why this happened to you? Why were you mauled at the hands of the Greeks and the Romans? In the year 70 AD, Titus, the Roman general, massacred 133,000 in one day in Jerusalem. Again demolished. And from that day, the temple of Solomon lies demolished, razed to the ground. These Jews go there, a small portion of the foundation wall is intact. They go and weep there, wailing wall. They just, just like our Ahle Tashayyo, they make matam. But their matam is not beating the chest. They have this direction, as if they will strike their heads to the wall. But they keep at a safe distance, no doubt. Just like some of the Ahle Tashayyo, they only have a symbolic, movement of their hands. In the same way, but that's the wailing wall. Nothing of that remains. Please remember, 1924 years have passed, that their Kaaba is lying razed to the ground. It is Kaaba for them. And now they are girding up their loins to demolish Masjid al-Aqsa and rebuild the temple. I have with me the diagram, the structure that they have decided to erect there. Because Hamas of Palestine, they have established an office in Pakistan also. And they have published that picture there. These are their designs. Anyhow, Quran said to them, فَلِمَا يُعَذِّبُكُمْ بِذُنُوبِكُمْ بَلْ أَنْتُمْ بَشَرٌ مِّمَّنْ خَلَقَ. The same is to us also. So these surahs of the Quran are very important.